In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add and customize a vertical menu to your website. Whether you're setting up an online store or sprucing up your existing site, a well-organized menu is crucial for easy navigation and an enjoyable user experience. So let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll want to be in the editor mode of your website builder. This is your creative space, where you have the power to bring your vision to life. Head over to the Add Elements section, which is typically located in the sidebar or top menu, depending on your platform. Once you're there, look for Menu and Anchor. This section houses various types of navigational tools, and for our purpose today, you'll select vertical menus. Just click and hold, then drag it over to the part of your page where you want the menu to appear. It's as straightforward as that. Just like moving a piece on a chessboard, it's all about strategy and placement. Now that your menu is on the page, the real fun begins. It's time to manage your menu items. By clicking on the newly placed menu, you'll see an option, Manage Menu. Selecting this option will open up the menu panel. This is like the command center for your menu, where you can organize all your essential pages. If you have a shop, this is the perfect place to handle your product categories. Adding pages is as easy as clicking Add and typing in the page name. When you want to remove an item, simply select it and click Remove. Reordering is just a drag and drop away, allowing you to prioritize what you want your visitors to see first. With your items set, let's move on to customization to ensure the menu fits your website's aesthetic. Click on your menu and select Design. Here's where the magic happens. You can modify the text to match your site's vibe. Choose fonts that are easy to read and colors that align with your brand palette. Don't forget spacing. It's crucial for readability, so tweak the padding and alignment until you're happy with how your menu looks and feels. It's like dressing up your menu for its big debut. For those of you with more complex sites featuring subcategories, there's an added layer to consider. Within the Menu Layout panel, you'll find a tab labeled Submenu. This lets you control how your submenu appears, ensuring a seamless look and cohesive navigation experience. Adjust settings here to organize your categories or services in a clean and user-friendly way. And there you have it. With these steps, you've not only added a vertical menu, but also made sure it looks great and functions smoothly. Remember, a well-structured menu is critical for keeping your visitors engaged and guiding them through your site effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.